Hey everyone. So I wasn't even sure if I was going to do a video this week. I have been working. I was out 3 days last week. Um, I lost my, never have I ever lost my ATM card. And I lost my ATM card. I was going crazy looking for it. I know once I put it in the wrong pocket and then I found it, but I checked every crevice of the car. Um, I checked every crevice of the 3 bags that I use. I checked every crevice of my wallet, and it was gone. Um, I wasn't gonna go out. I was gonna try and rest this week, but I have to get some stuff for my sister-in-law. She's graciously, even though it's my turn to have my family over, she graciously said she'd do Thanksgiving. And I have a package, and the lockers were not working. I have to go to the office to get it now. It's so I'm kind of just, then I forgot that my kids have, but it's a telemed appointment, so I didn't want to do the new collection yet. I really wanted to work on this one now. So I'm gonna use the top colors and this on the side. So I put blue on here. The other one you got to deal with glitter and all of that. And I really wasn't for that. And also I've been in a lot of pain. I was working all day Saturday. I was working on swatches. I was working on my pills. I was working on the last 2 videos. Had to clean the table, like I said, and my hand has been hurting a lot, and so yeah. I just used the blue, light blue Idolize, like I said, and now I'm using the blue on my lid. Surprisingly, for like 2006 or 7. These are pretty pigmented. And then I'm going to go into that gray color up here. Ooh, it's a lot. That's pretty pigmented too. That's a lot. I just wanted to do something quick. White on the highlight. And those lockers is just another way. Well, I guess not really. It's another way for them to make money, because if you don't get it by midnight the next day, you have to pay $3 a day fee. And they're broken, and it's telling me I haven't got my package. I have to start paying a fee. And they got it too. They had to get it. The office had to take it out. And I don't know why I'm getting that stupid message. And then the pink in the inner corners, and in case I forget, I also will be putting it in the inner corner underneath, but I have to do that after I clean my eyes and after I put the concealer, because it just comes right off. This palette was a limited edition holiday called Glamorous Gems. Landscapers. Well, at least they're not out there at 9 o'clock in the morning waking me up. Excuse me, 8 o'clock. Sometimes they come as early as 7. Alright, so I'm just going to put regular, black liner mascara. I'll finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. I decided to use Devil's Advocate, the Wet n Wild High Shine Liquid Catsuit on the lips, and Fair Trade Coffee. I just really wanted to do this. I really like this palette. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so just something simple rather than get into the new thing. Oh man, I've been in so much pain. All right. So yeah. So Um, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the second half of this or start um, on the new holiday stuff. Okay. Okay, and I refreshed my hair. I refreshed my hair using the conditioner method, and I really liked it because I didn't have enough. So I just put it in conditioner, really saturated my hair, and I leave it in all day. That's what I was doing yesterday, and then just washed it out. So it's kind of like you're giving yourself a deep conditioner. I always put a bag on it for the heat, and yeah, I really really like it. I really like that method. If you don't have enough, or if you want to make a pastel out of a color, this is pretty cool.